Hey, welcome back to the Amusement Archive. Today's video is going to be cool, at least to me, hopefully to you guys also. The main objective today is I want to try the Dave's Hot Chicken cauliflower not chicken, because I mean I've just wanted to try it for so long. But on the way there, I'm in a town called Edmond, Oklahoma. And there's a unique part of Route 66 here. It kind of starts right here at this old newspaper place. But so basically, this road you're seeing here is Route 66, but it starts here, and somehow it's chopped off way down in Oklahoma City, miles away. And then somehow starts back up here. I don't even know if they really explain it that well on maps or anything, but we're going to show you some of the cool little landmarks on the way to Dave's Hot Chicken in Edmond. There's a few little things. Here's the sign designating that we're officially on Route 66. There's a few cool things, one actually in eyesight right there that we're gonna stop at. But like I said, our ultimate goal for today is to try that not chicken cauliflower at Dave's Hot Chicken. We've got a cool little mural here on the side of Sherry's drugstore. Pretty cool. Greetings from Route 66 Edmond. Pretty nice. So our first big stop here is the Edmond Schoolhouse, built in 1889. I've also filmed all of this stuff for a big Route 66 project I did. Hasn't come to complete fruition yet because I actually filmed from one side of Oklahoma to the other, all the way Route 66, all the landmarks. But kind of just showing you guys some cool little sites just in the Edmond part of Route 66 on my way to Dave's Hot Chicken, of course. There's also a little mural on the side there. If you go just a block south by that school we just saw, you'll actually get to the Edmond History Museum right there. They got some cool stuff in there, different exhibits that you can see. We're coming up on a newer landmark here. So this Native American statue here was brought recently to the University of Central Oklahoma. Pretty awesome. Here's a Target. If you watch my other channel, Collector's Conquest, you may know what a Target is, and that I go into a lot of Targets. So we're coming up on Dave's Hot Chicken already. I'm gonna actually continue this Route 66 journey after we eat at Dave's Hot Chicken and show you some landmarks of Route 66 that you've probably seen before. There's some major ones right down the street. So let's go eat some chicken. And by chicken, of course I mean the cauliflower, not chicken. I'm excited. Let's go in. Some really cool artwork and stuff in here. I've shot a video at one of these before. The one in Bricktown, Oklahoma City. They always have some kind of funny chicken artwork, but always decorated amazing. Look at that, Route 66. The Dave's Hot Chicken on Route 66. That's pretty cool that they actually have it up there. Pretty awesome. All right, we got a combo here. This is a tender, I guess. And then we got the slider here with some sauce, pickles on it. Man, look at that. That's like a half of a cauliflower, a little slice. And then we got some seasoned fries here, some Dave's sauce, some pickles. I'm insanely excited right now. I actually went to try it in my last video, but they had taken it off the menu, so now it's back and I'm gonna check it out. All right, let's check out this slider first. It's got coleslaw. It's got coleslaw on it also. I'm gonna be honest, I think I like this. I like this more than the actual chicken. So if you're wondering why I'm so excited about the not chicken cauliflower, a little bit behind the scenes, I eat 90% vegan. I'm not saying this, I haven't even checked if this is 100% vegan or anything, but it's all for health reasons. I found it's the easiest way I can keep my weight down and lose weight faster. Also stuff like blood pressure, cholesterol. Obviously this Dave's Hot Chicken stuff is not helping in that, in cholesterol or any, well, maybe cholesterol, but as for the overall health with the grease and everything. But I always like to try out new vegan foods, so I would say 90% of the time, or maybe even more, I eat vegan just to keep everything, you know. But if you see me eating some kind of meat or just regular food on this channel, it's normal. I like to try anything, you know, that's cool or unique. So I'll definitely be like eating just any kind of random thing. But on my everyday basis, I try to keep it in check as much as I can. But I definitely recommend this not chicken cauliflower, even to people who eat meat. It's great. Let's check out the hotline. There's actually some music on here. Hopefully you could hear that. Man, that was real good. I kind of ordered a little too much. I probably could have just done with the slider because it was the size of like a regular sandwich. But man, I got it at medium heat level. I always order pretty much everything at medium because I like spice, but I don't want it to like ruin the meal. I'm not here for the challenge unless I'm doing like a challenge. So I really love spicy food, but I want to taste the food also, so I don't get it too hot usually. I definitely recommend the cauliflower not chicken at Dave's Hot Chicken. So let's keep going down Route 66, and I'm gonna point out some more cool stuff just down the road. So just to kind of give you an idea of where we are, we're crossing I-35 now. You see the Life Church cross over there on the right. So Dave's Hot Chicken was just a few streets behind us, right over here on I-35, and we're gonna cross I-35 and head towards Arcadia. So you may know, if you know about Route 66, where I'm headed to. And we've made it to our next stop on our Route 66 journey. We're at Pop's Arcadia. So let's go inside, check out what kind of cool pops they got. I don't know if I'm gonna try any crazy ones, because I don't really drink sugary pops, but let's check out what they got, and maybe I'll get a diet soda. I don't know, we'll see. They have some kind of trailer in front of Pops. I'm not really sure what this is. So apparently that's mini Pops. So their Pops is actually closed for remodel. So I guess that's all we got. We gotta go in there and find something. Got a few options in here. I mean, obviously the full selection is in the building being remodeled right now, but let's see what we can find. Anything ginger? Doesn't look like they have too many of the crazy ones in here. Ooh, Serenity, that's like the from Firefly, the show. See if they have anything diet I can actually get. They do have Billy's Bubble Pop Lime. That's a pretty fun one. Got Doc's Huckleberry Cream Soda. Had a few more in another part of the building. Got Cookie Dough Bites flavored soda. Pumpkin Spice Tonic. Okay, we found the wild ones finally. Chico Stick. I love Chico Sticks. Pretty cookies and cream. Peanut butter and jelly. Toxic Waste. I feel like I need to get this for the kids. Still got some of the merchandise in here. It's basically a little trailer. I guess I could have read, but it says remodeling. As you can see through, they got all those sodas in there, but I mean, they had enough stuff I could get in here for the kids. So which ones did I get? I got the safe call because I didn't want to waste, you know, getting the joke ones are funny, but most of the time they don't drink them. So I got a red cream here, pure cane sugar, and also got a orange one here, says Norca Sparkling from Akron, Ohio. And then I got myself, they didn't have a lot of diet, and honestly I don't really drink diet, but when I'm here, got a Cheerwine Zero. I love Cheerwine, so I want to try this version. All right, just a short jump away, we'll be at our final destination and a big landmark on Route 66. So let's go and check it out. We've made it to our final stop, Arcadia Round Barn. I know you guys have probably seen this. If you're into Route 66, we got the Arcadia Round Barn here. We can actually go inside, check it out. There's also a gift shop in there, but pretty excited to be here. They even have a sign designating them as a Route 66 roadside attraction. Let's check it out. There's also a crapper over here. Route 66 roadside attraction. And then check this out. If you need to take a load off, they got an outhouse for you here. Just take a load off. But let's go up here and check out the inside. Going up top. Check it out. It's always neat to see inside of here. Could have yourself a cool little wedding or a little get together in here. Don't jump or run. We're preserving history. Well, they got the Red Barn Rendezvous, second Sunday I just echoed when I got closer to that sign. Gift shop. Got some history on the walls too. It's like a little museum. You can go through all the books, read all the history. Pretty fun little place if you ever are taking a Route 66 trip through Oklahoma. Definitely stop here, check out the stuff. And there's even a full-size horse in here with a carriage and a miniature size too. Actually got some shirts now and some other merchandise over there. I swear it's always windy when you come to the Round Barn. I don't know why, but I had fun today. Hopefully you guys had fun checking out some locations on Route 66. Definitely check out that Dave's Hot Chicken, cauliflower, not chicken. It was good. I honestly thought it was better than the chicken when I had the chicken. Thanks for taking a trip with the Amusement Archive. I got tons of videos, so check the playlist. Find something you're interested in, like Route 66. There's a playlist for that. And I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.